I request all of you to listen this video for next 5 minutes. We are going to see about CAPTCHA fraud network in this video. This video especially made for those who are in struggling to face this issue right now. In recent times, especially this COVID times, everyone willing to make extra income to solve their personal problems. I didn't say it's wrong, but it's a right thing. As all of you know, a lot of data entry scam has been continuously happening in India. Let's see one of the popular CAPTCHA entry fraud in India. I'll tell you short and sweet that how it works actually. Usually they provide 10,000 CAPTCHA to complete in 10 days. If you complete it, you will get 3 rupees per CAPTCHA without no investment. You have to submit any one of government ID proof to get this job offer. At this moment, everyone will think this is the best offer to make the extra income to solve all the problems in our life. If you accept the offer, they will ask you to click the link which you have already received on your mail. After you click that link, a fake agreement form will receive your mail. The real problem starts at the moment. If you notice at the moment, whatever they send to your mail, it automatically goes to the spam folder. So at that moment, you can clearly understand it's a fraud network has been doing something else. You can't finish this job as you think on time because this software has designed by the scammers. Their only intention is stealing the money from innocent people. I request all of you don't commit into this work without know any details. If the problem comes from one place, the solution will come from the same place. The one thing you should keep in your mind. Before you accept the offer from online, just go through the review whether it is legit or not. There are a lot of things on the internet. If you go and check with this internet, it will give everything whatever you ask. So most of people are not doing the same. So what will be their next move is they will ask you, they will say that you have failed to complete this job offer, so you have breached our agreement. We have a rights to file a police complaint on you. To avoid this problem and the problem case, you should pay the compensation amount of 6,900. I hope everyone will get a same threatening message from scammers. If you regret to pay the compensation fee, you will receive a court notice within 2 business working days. You should appear on the court. This is what they mostly used to threaten everyone. If you ignore it for some times, then you will get a SMS like sending from court and advocate office that case has been registered against you. You should appear on the court on particular date. This is what you will get SMS from scammers, and most of peoples would have fallen in this trap. They will pay the amount whatever they demand at this moment. Afterwards, they will demand for extra money once you paid. It will be continuously happening until you get to know that you got cheated by them. In this case, most of people have lost their money, guys. So please understand and try to understand the things how it works actually. And it's a time to wake up and overcome from this problem. Let me tell you the useful thing. The person who has been continuously helping to the people who got affected by these scammers, especially captcha fraud network, his name Raj Boschel. He has been running a WhatsApp group to the capture fraud problems. I'll give the contact details and group link. Just join and clear your all doubts, and he will help you to come out from this problem. I met him recently in the same group for the same problem. I want everyone to come out from this problem. He has introduced the complaint portal which helps to collect the data of fraudster. I request everyone who got cheated by them should enter the details about company and what actually happened to you. Again, I'm saying I won't assure that you won't get back your lost money from scammers. But we have a chance to get it back if all submit the report together. He's doing such an amazing useful helps to everyone, guys. So please do contact and follow the further things. All you have to do is just ignore the scammers call. Whenever they threaten you, just put them in the block list. This is the only best solution to get out of it. and no need to worry about your government ID proof. Most of people ask that we have submitted our government ID proof, will it happen any problem in future? I'll tell you one thing, nothing will happen for your government ID proof, and they can't even do anything with your government ID proof, guys. Remember that one thing, keep in your mind. The website which one was built by the group admin Mr. Raj Posal. First of all, I want to thank and congratulate you, brother, and I really appreciated you for the good initiative to help others. And guys, I request all of you to enter few details in this website. Those who lost your money by these scammers, do follow the same what I'm going to do now. This website name is Anti-Captcha Group. First you should enter the fraud company name Zenith Solution, and then fraud company city name, from which city you got a proposal from these scammers, right? Enter the same and your full name. After that you should enter your email, and address column, it's based on your address. You should enter your address, full address. After that you should enter your phone number and explain your problem from the start to the end. After that you should enter the amount, that how much have you lost by the scammers. Enter that amount, for example 10,000 or something like that. After that, scammers advocate name and mobile number. After you have mentioned all the details, enter the submit button. Your data will be saved at the storage. That's it, guys, and thank you.